Again, I want to remind you, my name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon, and that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And again, if you need to reach out to me for any reason at all, pertaining to the document, of course, please do. Particularly like to hear when I make a mistake and people say, you know what, you made a mistake. When I say made a mistake, sometimes I do misspeak. I know that. I say something and may not be totally clear, but it's really in the written document we're looking for errors. If you see an error, let me know, and then I'll correct it if it is an error, and I'll put your name down, all right, as helping out with the document. All right, we're on number 6 now, and number 6 quadratic, and again, my expectation is 0 product rule, and I'm going to get 2 roots. So x and x. These would be relatively simple factorization problems. If you looked at 110, I want to point out what I mean by this. I'm not saying you need to write this down, but you could say, oh, 2 and 55, and that's simply not going to give you 17. And then you might look at that and say, well, you know what? I'm going to take a 5 from 55, and you would get 10 and 11, and that's not going to do it either. Then you say, what are you going to do now? Well, maybe you're going to do a 5. Again, I'm taking a 2 from the 10, and I'm going to give it to the other guy, which would make it 22. Now, I'm starting to realize here that 5 and 22 is a good candidate because you get to 17. Let's write this down, and let's see what we come up over here. So let's see, it's going to be minus plus. Let's just check that out. X squared, that works beautifully. Minus 22 plus 5 is minus 17, and 5 times minus 22 is minus 110. So the answer's over here. I set the factors equal to 0. One of the factors is x plus 5, that equals 0, or the other factor, x minus 22 equals 0. Again, a lot of students don't write that down, and that's fine. I'm just showing you what goes on in my head. What goes next? X is minus 5, or x is 22. What do I get over here? I get 2 roots, as expected, by the way. X is minus 5, or x is 22. Thank you.